Guys, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a video of property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location. There is Navya attractions and landmark also. You will find lots of reviews and ratings online that are given by guests who enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Category category 5. Category 7. The property accepts major credit cards and reserved for all temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. These of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Real deals and offers are available online on this property along with various new plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For more details, check description. This property is If you have already stayed in this property, share your experience in the comment box. If you are new